witnessed loss of lives at Sondu because of demonstrators that came to Sondu. And I want to announce here today that I've heard our competitors are saying they're going to have another mandamano on Wednesday. As you do your mandamano, know that Kericho County is out of bounds. Don't try this in Kericho. Those ones who are ferry to Sondu, this is my warning to you. Don't try this Wednesday. We will deal with you ruthlessly. If you want to andamana, go and andamana in your home. Don't come to the towns and destroy people's property. There is no relationship with the high cost of living by destroying hustlers' property that has just hustling their lives. Here at Awasi, the roads were blocked and people were denied access. And I want to say that those that are being ferried, we want to call upon Raila Odinga and his team. Step up and stop misusing our youth. Raila Odinga, my friend, we respect you, but when you look at it, your children are in Yala. Kalonzo Musyoka children are also in work. But these young children of around 20 years, these young boys and girls, please don't take them to the streets. How much more blood do you want to be satisfied? How much destructions of property do you want to be satisfied? 2007, this country went to anarchy. 2017 was even problems. 2022, again, we're having problems. And you want to tell Mr. Raila Odinga as respectfully that please, elections were done. It was decided at the ballot. The next calendar is 2027. And we will not allow you to continue ruining and destroying this nation. We must support the programs that we can, dialogue in a peaceful way to ensure that we live as one in Kenya, because if we ban Kenya, there is no other country that we can go to. We only have one country called Kenya. These people in Sondu are very good people. They have been coexisting peacefully, and we ask that they don't be incited to violence, but they be brought together to continue transacting their businesses in peace. And I call the president that mobilize all the security agents so that our people are kept safe and those who are doing business can do business. And if possible, if Azimio wants a place where they can demonstrate, allocate for them a small field somewhere in Nairobi, and they can demonstrate from day one to the last day while others carry on with their businesses for those who want to carry businesses. Because as we respect the rights to demonstrate, we must also respect the rights of those who want to conduct their businesses without any disturbances.
We must keep Kenya safe going forward, and we must do whatever it can. Hapa Kericho, mimi nimesema sitaki kusikia kitu cha maandamano kwa Kericho. Nimeongea na commissioner na commander ya police, and anyone who is thinking that can do things in Sondu huko, this time we will deal with you ruthlessly and mercilessly.